A few words on further treatment of this element. Take a look, please. This one hasn't been treated or coated yet. It is rather fresh so far. With the course of time it is going to fade and become breakable as a dry leaf. That is why I don't rely on its natural qualities. Besides, I'd like to add some more color shades. So I've dipped these green twigs into the paint and mixture I cover paper tubes with. I will share the link to the recipe in the comment section once again. So I've dipped the elements into the solution once again, let the extra water fall down and then dipped them into the mixture for the second time. After which I finished by varnishing. As for this composition, I've painted the tubes dark bilberry, so I've dipped the pyramids into the same painted solution too. The final layer of varnish spread with the help of a brush has made them very strong. It is durable enough to be transported, especially compared to this one. You can see how loose and fragile it is. So it is very easy to make your pyramid twig more durable. You just have to dip it into a paint and mixture and then coat it with lacquer.